So in our last example, we went through the process of using pivoting, and we were able to run an ARP scanner so that we could find IP addresses that exist on the other side of the target machine that we have compromised. One of those machines that we're going to use is 192.168.1.74, because now we're going to look at how port forwarding works in conjunction with a pivoting effect. So first off, what we need to do is go back and check our sessions. So we can do sessions I, and we'll go back into our session number 4. Now, as soon as we do this, we're now back onto that compromised machine that we already have access to. What I'm going to utilize now is a command called port forward, and I'm going to add a specific rule that says whenever we are listening, so the -L is the listening for 3389, we want to send port 3389 to the remote host 192.168.1.74. So now we've created a relay connection. So from my machine, I'm actually now able to launch a remote desktop session, and it should funnel it all the way through the metasploit session to the machine that I don't actually have visibility of. So in order to do this, let's just background the session, because in order to run the tool rdesktop, I'm simply going to type rdesktop 192.168.1.74, and we'll click enter. And this should launch, and there we are. We now have a remote desktop session through a meterpreter session to get to a machine. So of course, if I knew the password, I could then log in, I could connect as another user, but now I have a remote desktop session, I can then do other things with that. And we also know that this machine, by the very fact that we got a remote desktop session, it tells me that it's currently logged in as the domain administrator.